Water, the essence of life, the silent pulse of our planet, a vast and interconnected web connecting every living thing, from the smallest microbe to the largest whale. It's the lifeblood of our world. It shapes our histories and cultures, dictating where civilizations rise and fall, and existence, the very foundation of our survival. Yet we've taken its presence for granted, acting as if this precious resource is limitless. Now, the rhythm is changing, and the consequences are becoming increasingly clear. Climate change is disrupting, in profound and alarming ways, the global water cycle, the delicate balance that sustains life as we know it, making it more volatile, more erratic, and unpredictable. The extremes are becoming the new normal. The balance that sustained us is under strain, pushed to its breaking point. Melting glaciers, once frozen reservoirs, droughts parching the land, and floods overwhelming communities are warning signs we can't ignore. The planet is sending us a clear message. Water security is no longer a distant threat. It's not something that might happen in the future. It's a global challenge here and now. It demands our immediate attention. When water is scarce, conflict grows. Competition for this vital resource intensifies. When it's too abundant, disaster strikes. Lives are upended and communities are devastated. The story of water is the story of humanity, our past, our present, and critically our future, and we're writing its most critical chapter. The choices we make now will define what comes next. Our actions today will determine the future for generations. The legacy we leave behind. We must listen to the planet and act. With urgency and determination, securing water is securing our future. It's an investment in the well-being of all. The silent pulse is weakening. We must act before it's too late. It's our shared responsibility to help it beat strong again. We must work together, across borders and ideologies, for the health of our remarkable, fragile blue planet, our home. Water security isn't just about having enough water available. It's a multifaceted issue that goes far beyond simple volume. It's about quality, ensuring the water is safe to use and consume. It's about timing, having water when and where it's needed. And fundamentally, it's about fairness, guaranteeing equitable access for all. Polluted water is a threat, not a resource. It endangers public health and devastates ecosystems. Healthy ecosystems, wetlands, forests, rivers, are vital to the water cycle. They act as natural filters, regulate water flow, and support countless species. Equity matters. Everyone deserves safe, affordable water, regardless of wealth or location. Access to clean water is a fundamental human right. Too often, the poorest suffer most. Walking miles for water, drinking from unsafe sources, losing crops to drought. These are the harsh realities of water scarcity. True water security means justice and sustainability for all. It requires a commitment to responsible stewardship of our water resources. We must look beyond engineering, embracing ecology and confronting inequality. We need solutions that are both effective and equitable. Our well-being is tied to the planet's health. We are all interconnected through the water cycle. This is the new frontier, working with nature, not against it. Harnessing the power of ecosystems to provide clean and reliable water. The path is challenging, but hopeful. Only together can we build a water-secure future. It requires collaboration, innovation, and a deep commitment to justice. Climate change is no longer abstract, it's lived reality. Droughts parch fields, force migration, and threaten livelihoods. Floods destroy homes and contaminate water, sparking disease. The world's most vulnerable, farmers, children, indigenous communities, bear the brunt. Their stories reveal the human cost of inaction. As populations grow, demand for water intensifies. By mid-century, billions may face severe water stress. Competition for water will shape economies, politics, and lives. This crisis is about hardship and resilience. The moral urgency is clear. We cannot ignore the human face of water scarcity. Our response will define our future. The path to water security is blocked by weak governance, poor investment, and lack of cooperation. Fragmented institutions and underfunded agencies struggle to manage water wisely. Infrastructure is expensive, and funds often go to mega projects instead of resilient local solutions. Reliable data is scarce, making smart decisions difficult. Rapid urbanization and agriculture stretch resources to the limit. Water crosses borders, but cooperation is rare. Competition prevails. Over 260 river basins are shared by multiple countries, yet collaboration is weak. These cracks, governance, finance, data, and cooperation, make the crisis so tough to solve. But recognizing them is the first step. We must fix our foundations to secure our water future. Despite the immense challenges that lie ahead, a sense of hope is beginning to rise on the horizon. We are seeing a growing awareness and commitment to addressing the global water crisis. New ideas, groundbreaking research, and innovative technologies are rapidly shifting us toward a more water-secure future for all. These advancements offer real solutions, nature-based solutions, such as actively restoring forests, revitalizing wetlands, and protecting mangrove forests, offer increased resilience and vital ecosystem services for both people and wildlife. Innovations in water management, like efficient and sustainable desalination technologies, advanced satellite monitoring systems, and precision irrigation techniques, are empowering us to achieve more with less water, optimizing resource use. Forward-thinking economic models, such as Doughnut Economics, provide a framework to guide us in meeting the fundamental needs of everyone, all while remaining safely within the ecological limits of our planet. Securing a sustainable water future demands strong global collaboration and partnerships, requiring the active participation of governments, responsible businesses, dedicated farmers, and conscious individuals. All have a crucial role to play in this collective effort. We must prioritize investment in both our natural and our carefully designed and maintained built water systems. Empowering local communities to take ownership is absolutely key, because they are, in many cases, the most effective and dedicated stewards of this precious resource. The journey ahead is undoubtedly long and complex, but it is certainly not an impossible one. By thoughtfully uniting the wisdom of traditional knowledge, the rigor of modern science, and a commitment to social justice, we can begin to mend and strengthen our foundations for a water-secure world. Together, working in harmony, we can ensure that the very pulse of our planet, its lifeblood, its water, beats strong and healthy, providing for thriving ecosystems and healthy communities for generations to come.